The Robertson Residence has two towers, north and south. We are staying in the south. It's worth noting the Petronas towers are only visible from the north tower, which is also where most of the facilities are, like the gym and jacuzzi pool. In the atrium, there is a security desk and a CCTV room, access to the car park and a seating area. The rooftop is on the 47th floor of the North Tower. The views are nice, but there isn't any seating here, just a room which can be booked in advance and is otherwise locked. On floor 6, accessible from both towers, is the pool. It's 5 sunbed pods and a bridge that connects to the North Tower for the gym. We found the pool to be quite busy, especially with families. Quiet times seemed to be early morning. We struggled to get to bed after 11 a.m. On floor 7, also accessible by a lift, is the gym. It's mostly equipped for cardio workouts and has free weights section, but it's quite limited. There's also a dance studio. We found residents use this for yoga and to do free weights as the gym aircon wasn't great. On the 42nd floor of the North Tower is the jacuzzi pool, with views of the Petronas towers. The immediate area outside the Robertson has 3 mini markets. We found these quite pricey, and it's definitely worth jumping in a grab to a supermarket for essentials, as they'll be a lot cheaper. Just Fruits also serves coffee and food. There is a restaurant that's very popular with locals, an Indian restaurant, and a modern coffee shop on the corner. Our apartment is on the 36th floor. As you walk in, you have the live-in dining room. It has aircon and a smart TV with Netflix. Off to the left is the kitchen area, equipped with plates, utensils and an air fryer. Just outside is the washing machine and drying rack. Back through the living area is a balcony, which we very much enjoyed. We can hear prayers from the mosque, which has been really lovely. The apartment has one bedroom with aircon, a great view and plenty of practical storage. The bathroom is disguised behind wardrobe doors and is well equipped with a power and rainfall shower. We discovered a little street behind the apartment that had a few restaurants and bars. It's easily accessed through the car park and onto the back streets, although to get there we walked a long way around past Swiss Garden and found a shortcut on the way back. The restaurants look quite fancy and very pricey, so we settled for a drink at a craft beer bar. It was really friendly and quirky. You'll find it more expensive than Bar Street, but we'll definitely go back before we move. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, subscribe and leave us a comment. All your feedback is very much appreciated.